Dahil sa pilitang pag-sumadami ang mga kampo ng militar.
We believe that these two occasions are being used by the U.S. to further advance the war on terror and to further advance imperialist globalization of the economy.